Does this look pre-plucked to you guys? I don't think so. It's given Tyler Perry. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir or Lay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and my first initial review of this hair. So if you're interested on seeing how I got this style, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we have another Amazon wig. This Amazon wig came in this packaging here. Of course it had the Amazon mailer, and this is how it came, just like this, no box or anything. So it came with wig caps and the wig. Inside the wig, when I unfolded it, it was some wig clips so I can sew these in if I need to. And then I got a 26-inch water wave wig, and it's supposed to be another wear and go wig, so we're gonna see what that's about. It smells really good. It smells like some type of conditioner or something's on it. This came inside these aromatherapy tablets. So maybe that's why it smells so good, but I'm not mad at it. That's what it looks like straight out of the packaging. So here's the inside of the wig, kind of like the last one. There's no combs and an adjustable strap, adjustable band. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure again. And like I said, it is supposed to be wear and go. So let's see. I doubt it because I still have to tend to my skin, but we're gonna see. Just try it on. This wig also has like ear cutouts, unlike the other one that I had got. And this one's a lot tighter than the other one. It's very, very snug, like just fitting. And this is what the lace looks like. It's supposed to be pre-plucked and pre-cut. I don't see that as pre-bleached, so I'm gonna have to go back and bleach this, but not today because I don't have time. But it is pretty full. It's supposed to be 26 inches. Possibly, maybe, I'll have to check later. But this is what it's looking like so far, right as we take it out the box. This is wear and go for you guys. So you guys know I'm gonna have to start tinting it to my skin. So I'm gonna use some foundation. And this time I'm also going to cut off some of this excess lace. Okay, now that I cut off the excess lace in the front, I'm just going to tint it with my foundation. Okay, now that I have the foundation on the lace, I'm just going to apply the wig again. So this is what the wig looks like on after I tinted the lace a little bit. I don't know if I could say this is pre-plucked. It looks really thick, but we're going to use the hot comb and, you know, push it back a little bit just so I can really see the hairline. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pluck it. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after I brush it or like hot comb it back. Does this look pre-plucked to you guys? I don't think so. So I'm gonna have to do some plucking because it's given Tyler Perry. Tyler Perry wig. I need to add some naturalness to this hairline, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck the hairline. Okay, so I have plucked the lace. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better than it did before. So now I'm going to use some of this cream foundation, and I'm just going to apply it to the edge of the lace. If I wanted to, I could wear the lace like this, so like I don't have to glue it down or like put any type of adhesive like the Even spray or anything, but I'm going to. I'm just gonna try to figure out my part first. If I want a middle part or a side part. So I think I'm gonna do a middle part. Yeah, I want to do a middle part. And I know it seems like I do middle parts all the time. If I'm not on camera, I usually do side parts, but for some reason, when I get to doing hair videos, I'm doing a middle part. But next time, I'm gonna do a different hairstyle. I'm not gonna do a middle part, but just to keep it simple, I'm gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna be using this spray today instead of my normal even. I'm just gonna apply this band to melt it. So while I'm waiting for it to melt, I'm just going to start defining my curls. I don't think I'm gonna put anything crazy in the hair, just water and maybe some serum, but that's about it. I will say the hair is really soft. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. You know how this shit go. This curl pattern is super pretty. I think it's gonna look really cute when it dries up. But we're gonna check on the band now. Or we're gonna check on the lace now. So we have a pretty good melt so far. I'm just gonna start hot combing the part. Okay, so this is what the wig would look like with no baby hairs, just defining the part, plucking just a little bit and adding the wig spray to the hairline. So it's not bad. It looks pretty good. The curls are pretty. I didn't put the serum on them yet. I'll do that last. But yeah, it's giving right now. I had to pluck it a little bit for it to look like this, but it's cool. But if you guys watch my videos, you know I'm gonna have to add some baby hairs because that's just my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more. Much outside no more. Neither of us wanna be inside no more. Got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Okay, now that I have my baby hairs laid down, I'm just going to spray the hairline again. I'm just going to add this serum to my curls now. Okay guys, so I finished adding the water and serum to my hair. Now I'm just going to take off this melt band. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I took the melt band off. I'll show you guys the lace. From all angles, it looks really, really cute. So yeah, I think all I'm going to do now is just some finishing touches. So like hit the top of the lace with the hot comb again, add some concealer to my part, and then use some tint spray so that I can like make the line crisp, but that's about it. So it's the finished look after adding the finishing touches. I think it looks really, really cute. I love curly hair on me. I definitely prefer it over straight hair. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. So yeah, now that I've installed it, let's get into the initial review and the details about the hair. So I ordered this hair off of Amazon for $90. I got a 26-inch water wave HD 5x5 lace closure wig. It is from the vendor, I think it's Iriae or Iriae hair. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I saw them on Amazon and I wanted to try them out because they were a more affordable wig company. Well, this is $10 more than the last one that I tried, but still under $100. for 26 inches water wave, and it's pretty full too. So it's supposed to be 180% density. I feel like that is true. It's not thin at all. The hair is soft. The curls are really, really pretty, or the waves, whatever they're supposed to be, water wave. It is long. I'm 5'8", so a 26 inch is not gonna look the same on me as it will somebody maybe shorter. So that's that on that. I think the lace looks really good. I will say that it is HD again. It's very thin, easy to blend up my hair. As you guys saw in the install part, I used the ORS wig grip spray, and that's all I used to lay down my hair. And then I just used some mousse to do my baby hairs. As you guys saw, I did pluck the knots. So it said it was pre-plucked. I don't think it said pre-bleached. They don't really look pre-bleached, but they are tiny knots, so it's not like they need to be bleached. All I did was add some concealer to the top, but the knots were not plucked. I can't say that it was plucked. So I had to pluck it to make it a little bit more natural on my hairline, because I don't like a super thick hairline. I want it to look like real hair. All I put in the hair, as you guys saw before, was water and some BioSilk serum. Not too much. I guess if you want to, you can put in some mousse or like a light curl cream. I wouldn't put too much in the hair, because even though it's curly hair, it's not like coarse curly hair. But these are the curls. I think they're so cute. Like I said, I love curly hair on me, and so far I'm happy with the wig. I didn't have any problem with the lace outside it not being pre-plucked like they said it was. This is the second wear and go wig that I got that I don't feel like it's wear and go. I feel like it can be beginner friendly because you don't have to worry about the plucking and the bleaching. The plucking, it depends on how you like your wigs, but for the most part you don't have to worry about cutting the lace, plucking the lace, bleaching the knots, all of that stuff. So beginner friendly, affordable. The hair is nice quality for now. Usually I will come back and give an update on the hair after a couple months or so. Also, as you guys saw earlier, the packaging wasn't anything special, so it just comes in Amazon packaging in that little pouch that I showed you guys earlier. No box or anything, so nothing special. Customer service was okay. I guess I didn't have to contact them about anything. The shipping was really fast. It came in one day, so very convenient. And yeah, that's all I really got for this hair so far. Is what it's looking like after I styled it. Everything about this wig will be listed in the description box below. Please be sure to like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I ain't done spinning. No pen, that's Spanish.